Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Rachel. She's come in for a fresh set today. So I've done all her prep work on her natural nails. I applied CJP's tips with their gripper glue, and now I am just cutting to size. She wanted them quite short today. So I applied dehydrator and primer, and now I'm going in with application. So she's just having clear acrylic on all her nails, and then we're doing a gel polish over the top of that and a little design maybe on the ring finger. Maybe, I don't know why I'm saying maybe, because I know we do a little design, little line work on her ring finger. I'm using CJP's big boy brush. And I have sped through this part, literally the whole video. It's just going to be a really quick one because it's just so simple, so easy, so quick. So then once they are both set, I then come in with my hand file and just file them into shape. I flip her hand around and file from her view. This is Rachel, it's Alan's, so my partner's cousin. I told her she was my worst client, but she's not. I was lying. So if you're watching this, Rachel, you're not my worst client. I love you. I just think this way, when you file this way, you can get a much better shape. So if you are struggling, get my words out, Trace. If you are struggling with your shape, make sure you flip your client's hair around and file from that way. So then I'm coming in with my E-file here, and I'm just debulking wherever I need to debulk, and just making sure that that cuticle area is nice and flush. I then go over with my hand file again just to make sure that the shape is as perfect as it can be. I then buff her nails, and she'll go and wash her hands. So then we have nice, clean, dust-free nails to apply our gel polish. I'm not sure what gel polish I'm using, but I will put it in the description box. It's just a baby pink. So I'll apply 2 coats of this and cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm just doing a little bit of line work on her ring finger. This brush is from the pound shop. Every time I clean it, it takes the black off, so that's why it looks like that. So I'm just doing like a little design, just line work. I'm using a Naio's Bright White to apply that. So then I apply some light gold gel polish to wherever I thought would look nice. I'm using CJP's fine art brush. That might be wrong, but it is definitely from CJP. I will put it in the description box of what it's called. And then I cure that, and then I apply some pearls. I just got these little pearls in my collection. I'm not 100% sure where I got them from. You probably can just get them from anywhere. And I just apply 2 little ones with my crystal crayon. And then I apply CJP's Top Gloss, cure my lamp for 60 seconds, apply cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this really quick, fast, simple set. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please do. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.